Hey YouTube, welcome back guys. So today I'm gonna unbox this. This is the original OEM Samsung 3220 mAh battery for Samsung Galaxy Note 4 for the model SM-N910 EB-BN910. So let's go ahead and get this unboxed, shall we? So yeah, it comes with this nice clear shrink wrap, plastic wrap, and in a hard case. Here is the barcode BASM-NOTE4. So let's get this open real quick. So we come with this nice hard carrying case for the battery, and you just put this clip to open. Why so hard? Let's see. Alright. So here it is. It is in Korean writing. This battery, I'm not sure it's come from Korea, but my two original did not say in Korean all words. You want to check out the contact. Make sure that it's not used. Alright, so this is my unboxing for the ASMR. Hopefully you guys give a thumbs up, and then like the video. Please be sure to hit that subscribe button, and then turn on the bell for notification, or drop any other comments or below. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next video like always. Peace.